Okay, hello everyone. Today now let's look at question 25. So question 25, after reading the question, there is a triangle and a circle and we'll run through this triangle. So let's first think about how will the circle travel, right? So actually I can show you the circle maybe run in this path from here and run back to the original place, right? So maybe we can just use many circles to explain the path. It will be like here. Okay, imagine we need to calculate the area all the small blue circle occupy. So maybe you see these are some white area. Actually, because the move it's a kind of continuous moving, right? So actually it's just a line, not there is no such kind of space here between the two circles. Okay, so how we can find out the area? Actually, let's look at this picture. This one is also this kind of equilateral triangle. And let's look at that. The circle here, and if he moved to this place, then we can see the area of this part, the orange line frame. So inside this frame, it's a kind of rectangle. And after that, there must be a circle around here, and we can label the diameter line, and this one is the circle rotate from this point, and the area will become this sector. So for this kind of sector, we only need to know what degree is this, and then we can calculate the sector's area. And I can draw all the things. You find out there is one rectangle, two rectangle, and three rectangle with how many more sectors? Yeah, actually we have three more sectors. So what's the radius of this sector? So this one, yeah. Do we know the radius of this sector? The radius is just 1 plus 1. It's the diameter of the circle. It should be 2 centimeters, right? So, yeah, we can firstly calculate the three sectors area. It's just 120 degree, because this one is 90 degree, this one is 90 degree, and this one is 60 degree. And use this circle 360 minus 90 minus 90 minus 60 equals to 120. So we have three sectors, so 3 times 120 over 360 times pi times 2 square equals to 4 pi. Okay. Also, yeah, what's the rectangle's area? So the rectangle's area is just 2 times this length 3. And how many rectangles? 1, 2, 3. 3. So actually it's 2 times 3 and times 3 equals to 18. So what's the area of the total area? Yeah, just plus together. 4 pi plus 18. And remember, pi is 3.14. So the total area is 30.56. Okay, for this kind of question, you need to imagine, okay, how the circle move on this triangle, and draw the brief outline of this picture. And then after that, you can separate into actually two shapes. One is the sector, and the second one is rectangle. So you can combine the rectangles and sectors. After that, to calculate 3 rectangles and 3 sectors, you can find out the answer.